Creating a photo booth with Fobo is as easy as 3, 2, 1. Once images are captured with Fobo, they can be shared via text and email, or printed with high-quality photo printers. First, let's set up the camera. To get the camera ready, first check that it has power. We will not need an SD card in the camera, since the Fobo app will store all of the images on the iPad. We can use a battery or a mains adapter to power the camera. Next, make sure the camera is on, but not in movie mode. And be sure the camera is using the IM or manual setting. We should make sure the lens is configured the way we want. Most people use autofocus. In the camera menu, we will make sure the camera is not set to automatically power itself off. We find it is helpful to also disable the touchscreen, since accidentally changing settings can be very confusing. Set the camera to use JPEG files, not RAW files. The quality setting is not important, but we usually use a medium setting. Now let's connect the camera. First, connect an Ethernet adapter to the iPad. Connect one end of the Ethernet cable to the iPad adapter and the other end to the Fobo brain. Also, connect the power cable to the Fobo brain. Finally, connect your camera to the Fobo brain. From inside the Fobo app, when the camera is on and connected, it will appear in the main menu. If the camera loses power, or is turned off, or if a cable becomes disconnected, the Fobo app will not be able to control the camera. Once all connections and power are restored to the camera, it should be available again in the main menu. Be sure to remove the camera's lens cap before shooting begins. Now let's start taking pictures. When you start the photo booth mode, you may notice a dim live view on the screen. We will need to adjust the camera exposure settings to match our scene. Swipe with 2 fingers to escape the photo booth mode. Here we are adjusting the exposure to match the scene. And we are adjusting the live view to compensate for any external strobe lighting that we might be using. Once the scene looks okay, let's go back over to photo booth mode and take a shot. Tapping the screen begins a countdown timer, and before you know it, you'll have professional quality portraits. From here, you can share the image using text or email, or you can print using a photo printer. And that's all there is to know about Fobo. Have a great event.